kapok asomo moko kuom ote nyaka Ramogi ajwang' yiena mar mondo mi wadhi achiel kachiel nyaka e kaunti ma Kisumu awinja ne gima timore kuro kama gavana e kaunti ma Kisumu ngire Anyang' Nyong'o odiochieng' ma kawuono keto Koke Ogirimiti mar bero wechego mag pur kaachiel kod chiemo moromo e kaunti ma Kisumu. We awinja ne.
Special ventures or special purpose vehicles for purposes of transactions such as this one. These US dollars 250 million or 30 billion Kenyan shillings agriculture and food security investment program will no doubt revolutionize food production and general agriculture in the entire Lake region. As you know, Kisumu County belongs to the Lake region economic bloc, and whatever you do as a country, we also take into consideration our partners in the bloc. The resultant partnership will deliver agri-fintech services for rural communities, high productivity, climate smart farming, and state-of-the-art agro-industrial facilities, creating new market for farmers in the Lake Victoria Basin region over the next 5 years. Unlike give price to whom, I never described our farmers are poor. They may be poor in assets, but not poor in intentions and capability. And what farmers really want is good farm gate prices for their crops or production, and they will rise up to the occasion. The venture will reduce Kenya's dependence on importing food commodities by approximately 200 million US dollars, that equals to 24 billion Kenyan shillings annually, thus reducing Kenya's trade deficit. An array of high-value crops will generate foreign exchange with focus on servicing local consumer and industry demand with consumer value addition done within Kenya. This includes, among other things, at least 100,000 tons of locally produced rice, at least 100,000 bales, equivalent of cotton products to support the Kenyan textile industry, edible oils such as sunflower, soybean, and so on, cotton seed, soybean, and maize byproducts to support the livestock sector. As you know, we are working also very closely with the Fresh Produce Association of Kenya under the leadership of my friend Okisegre Ojapot. I like his name, very poetical. The project, no doubt, has come at the most opportune time because Kenya needs a champion organization to provide leadership and prudent investment to develop inclusive, scalable, market-based, environmentally sustainable, and high productivity agro-food systems. The project has incredible alignment to the county government of Kisumu's strategy and with the national government's agricultural sector transformation and growth strategy 2019 to 2029. We will significantly contribute to all 9 flagship projects in this agricultural sector transformation growth strategy. We are excited because this project resonates with my manifesto for the revitalization of agriculture in the next 5 years. In my manifesto, I am committed to putting more land under production in Nyando, Kisumu East, Moroni, Nyakach, Kisumu West, and Seme sub-counties. I've also committed to revamp rice production, invest in horticulture and floriculture in Nyamtoe, Mboha Valley, and Kano Plains. These projects will also help to accelerate growth in other agricultural subsectors, including revival of cotton industry, dairy, and fish production. We are no doubt grateful to United Green, a timely partnership for accepting to partner with us. I also wish to sincerely thank the British High Commission for supporting this venture. This is what's called brotherhood in development, if not sisterhood, in respect to my sister. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Nyaka Ramogi ajwang' mano ne gavana e kaunti